Hi everybody, Alysson Muotri here. Just a reminder that on November 3rd we have our annual Neurodiversity conference in La Jolla at the Sanford Consortium for Regenerative Medicine. This year's program is just fantastic. We have several outstanding speakers, including our own keynote, Rob Knight, talking about the microbiome. We have researchers coming from other places, like Dan Gashwin from UCLA, Eric Kurchen from the Autism Center of Excellence, together with Karen Pierce, both excellent researchers. This is just on the research side. I mean, apart from the research, we have lots of other talks and opportunities. I think it's going to be like a fantastic conference. We look forward to hear from you. Please register on the website. We are holding the conference both in person if you want to come and join us, as well as virtually. So you can follow that through the link. Thank you, and I hope to see you soon.